So no kettle in the cottage because there's a boiling tap. So to get boiling water, you basically hold the button in here on the left hand side, pull it towards you, and in a couple of seconds you will get water coming out, which will be boiling straight away. So I don't know if you can see the steam coming up from that. So that is your boiling tap. So that is hot water, and that's presently coming out, depending on what it's set at, but at 98 degrees. In terms of the boiling tap, if it was to not provide boiling water, it's likely to have gone in standby mode, which will be showing us that. In order to turn it back on, you press the button, select the temperature which you want, which is probably already set at, and then that will be back on to boiling. If it's flashing, just press the left hand button here to select it, and then it will continue to do that.